making a butter bean and vegetable curry. All you're going to need, firstly the vegetables. 2 cups of chopped mushrooms, 2 cups of butternut, a cup of cauliflower, a cup of peas, a medium onion diced with 3 cloves of garlic and a thumbnail portion of ginger all crushed together in there, and 1 cup of zucchini. Then we're going to be making cashew cream for a creamy element in the curry. You need to soak your cashews overnight, 75 grams, and then you will need 175 milliliters of water to combine this today with the cream. A tablespoon of coconut oil for cooking, 2 tablespoons of light curry powder, a cup of tomato puree, some coriander, salt, and butter beans. Your first step will be to make the cashew cream. We're going to add the soaked cashews, 75 grams, and 175 milliliters of water to a food processor or blender, and you'll just puree this till smooth. The tablespoon of coconut oil to a heated pan. Now I'm going to add in the chopped onion, the garlic and the ginger. You're going to saute this until the onions translucent. Next we're going to add all the hard, longer cooking vegetables. So firstly the butternut. You're welcome to use butternut with the skin removed, cauliflower, mushroom, and baby marrows. And then you're going to stir fry this for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder, a cup of tomato puree, one and a half tablespoons of salt, a teaspoon of coriander. And then saute for 5 minutes. Now all you need to do is add in the rest of the ingredients, starting with the cashew cream. After the cashew cream, you add in the butter beans and the peas. The peas can be frozen or fresh. You're going to mix up the ingredients, lower the heat to medium, and let the mixture simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until all the vegetables are tender. If during the cooking process the mixture becomes too dry, you can simply add in a little bit of water or oil. You're going to let the curry cook with the pot lid on. As you can see, the curry is ready. All the vegetables are fully cooked and it's got a creamy but chunky texture. I'm going to be serving the curry with some jasmine rice and some salsa made up of chopped avocado, tomatoes and onion.